Hi, my name is Sue. I will be 60 years old in a few months, and for years, for past 50 years at least, I've had severe migraines. They started as a child. The doctor told me that kids don't get migraines. My parents said kids don't get migraines. And I suffered with them forever and ever, to the point that I couldn't stand light, couldn't stand certain smells, couldn't stand the sound. That I would be taken, I was put on Imitrex for a while, I was put on Inderal for a while. They did nothing but make me feel strange physically and mentally. The mood swings were horrible. The migraines wouldn't leave up, to the point that I would be in bed for 3-4 days, maybe more. There was no life for me, for my family, for raising a child. The mood swings that came with it were just, I couldn't get any lower. And when you would get the migraine, you were just so depressed that you pray something comes along, that you just want it to quit. You don't care what it does. So for one time only, my husband and I went to a festival, and Dr. Browse had his set up there, and his wife and someone was taking questionnaires and surveys, and it is something that I never ever do, but I did fill them out. The next day I came to Dr. Browse's office, had setup done, had my back aligned. That was in July. This is December, and I am doing better now than I have been doing for the last 35 or more years. The mood swings are still there, but they're nothing compared to what they were. The migraines, hopefully they go away completely, because I only get them once in a great, great while. I now have more energy. I can move better. I can think clearer. I just feel that for all those years that I had the migraine, why couldn't I have found this before? And I have found it now, and it has done just wonders. It's a miracle. I just feel better now than I have for 30-40 years. And I would advise anybody to go for chiropractic, because it's a more natural, it's a better feeling. It just gets you back to what you're supposed to feel like, which is something I am just ecstatic about. I'm happy. For the first time in a really long time, I feel better. I can do more. I can think clearer. I just feel good. I feel good. And I just wish I would have found this a long time ago. A long time ago.